Good morning, everyone. Apologize for being a little late. I've got a website that I go to for news that if I switch when I'm on that website to something else, it totally locks up my computer for some reason. So anyway, that set me behind here a bit. Everything appears to be running normally. Those promised 80-degree temperatures for a week, they're still in the forecast. They haven't developed. We've 90 to 95. With humidity to match, so it is still summer here. Must be August, right? We've got a P in the overnight session. The market sold heavily on Friday. The most likely occurrence after a trend day, remember this, is a pause day. And I think that's what we have. Very little news overnight. This morning's news, personal spending up 0.4. Personal income up 0.4. Spending up 0.3. Core PCE plus 0.1. And then Dallas Fed last month was minus 1.3. Don't know what it's going to be this month. The focus will be personal spending. They like to see that number better than personal, that number higher than personal income. Okay, the late spill was from 22, so I think resistance starts at 20. We got a P shape, so 19 to 23. Sell 1, 27 to 31, sell 2. On the buy side, I do think we have a pause day, so 9 to 13, buy 1. And then 1 to 5 will be buy 2. If the E-mini sells, we can come up and rally it a little bit more, but the market's playing right now for the pricing in a new percentage of for a rate hike. I just even the press over this weekend finally admitted that hard to see how they would do anything before the November elections. They would couch it in terms they want to be neutral, haha. We all know where their contributions go. Looking at the 30-year. Okay, we have a resistance at 24, number 1, 24 to 28. We have the spill from 5 to 6, so we'll come right into that. First little single prints right here with a 31 to 3 for sell 1. And we'll take it up to 11 to 15 for sell 2. On the buy side, we got support at 12 to 16. So 5 to 9 for buy 1. And 25, 29 for buy 2. Pick up this low volume number right there. Gold was pretty quiet, but lower when I looked. Okay, the attractor up here basically at 1330. We had our 15 to 17, our number 2 buy that we got to, so 15 to 17 buy 1. And 1309, 1311 buy 2. 24, 26 sell 1. 29, 31 sell 2. Looking at the euro, it was off, I believe, memory serves me correctly, a little bit this morning, not a lot. And we'll do the London split. And why the London split, especially on currencies, that the currency markets and metals and softs start in London. They don't start in the United States. And definitely have a B shape, definitely pointed lower. 111.75 going to be first support. That'll be buy one. I think we're trading lower, so I do like the short side better. Buy two, 11.50. On the sell side, 112 even, sell one. Then 12.15, 12.25. That's where we've been for, although a handle higher. Sell 2.15 to 25. $1,175 is probably a little too close, but it is one of those round numbers, and it can stop the market. Okay, crude will 46.50 hold. That's where we are right now. So the first band of support is 50 to 75. That's buy one. 46 even, 46.25, buy two. On the sell side, 47 and a quarter, 47.50, sell one. And 47.75, 48, sell two. Well, it's the last week of August, and Labor Day is this coming weekend, so this week the trading could actually be slower than it was last week. And people are still on vacation. I've always found that for most of the world, the New Year starts when the kids go back to school, not on January the 1st. It's also a bank holiday in the UK, as Fitz pointed out, which will slow things down. The English traders and banks provide a lot of liquidity, and they are sorely missed. So, coupled with vacations and the rest of it, we might have ourselves a pretty slow week, and then things should start to pick up after Labor Day. And by the third week of September, we'll have a full market again. And looking at the E-mini, again, maybe Friday's selling got a little bit out of hand late. So we've got pretty good support, probably 21.50 to 60, and we probably have pretty good resistance, 75 to 80, and right now we're at 68, kind of right in the middle. So that spill came in C period from 71. So 70, 72 is first sell. Pretty aggressive. 74, 76, not so aggressive. So really would like to sell the 75 to 80 area if possible, but we have to take a hard look at 70, 72. Got to get through 70, and we're not there yet. We're at 68. On the buy side, it is a B, TPO, and the rest of it. So we're going to try for 60, 62s. May take 65s to get in. And then 55, 57, let them get stops beneath that. Low on Friday. Personal spend income plus 0.4. Spending plus 0.3. Core PCE plus 0.1. Dallas Fed, who knows, but probably a negative number. Was minus 1.3. Focus will be personal spending. Okay, going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. I will be back with you as soon as possible.